Installing SwipedOn's visitor management solution is the first step towards creating your office of the future. We'll solve the challenging parts of running your front desk to streamline processes and protocols like managing evacuation roll call, courier deliveries, and data privacy compliance. Here are 8 reasons why over 5,000 workplaces love SwipedOn and why we know you will too. SwipedOn gives you the X-ray specs of office management. At the click of a button, you'll have full visibility of who is in your building at any time, both visitors and employees. Modern offices and facilities around the world require this information to be deliverable fast and efficiently. SwipedOn ensures you've got the tools you need to make that information readily available. There's no robots at SwipedOn HQ, we're human. Our awesome team offer you world-class customer support 24 hours, 5 days a week, and we guarantee to reply within 5 minutes. Our customers matter to us, which is why we approach every query or challenge with a focused perspective on specific needs of each scenario, so there'll be no generic answers from our team. Although SwipedOn is easy to use, we understand there'll be speed bumps along the way as you get used to the dashboard, which is why we welcome all questions regarding visitor management. First impressions count. With SwipedOn, you can swiftly communicate that your business truly cares about the visitor experience and that you take their safety and privacy seriously. Not to mention that your administrative professionals are no longer left fumbling for the nearest pen or running away from the desk to personally notify staff. A visitor management solution is a tool to empower them so they can do more of what matters to the business. With instant notifications sent to hosts, important clients or guests are not left waiting for long after tapping in their sign-in details. Adding an element of automation to your front desk shouldn't be expensive or complex. We've got a range of pricing plans for you to choose from to suit your budget and visitor management requirements so that your price stays on point. GDPR, NDAs, data privacy and security, SwipedOn has it all covered. There are some serious laws to abide by when it comes to storing visitor data in a safe and secure place. All SwipedOn data is stored securely in the Amazon Web Services, and with the click of a button, you'll easily be able to clear or anonymize data. All SwipedOn customers have the non-disclosure agreement built into their sign-in process, meaning that every visitor must digitally sign and agree to comply within your facility. Evacuation protocols couldn't be easier. Shake the iPad to activate SwipedOn evacuation mode, crucial in an emergency situation. You'll quickly have the visibility to see who is in and who is out, making the roll call process safe and easy. And because we know the challenges around Wi-Fi reach, the evacuation function is available offline. We don't believe in greenwashing. We genuinely care about the planet and want to do as much as we can as a business to help regenerate the environment, which is why we plant a tree for every new SwipedOn customer in partnership with Trees That Count. Existing customers love being a part of this process, and we're sure you will be too.